Want to give your Windows Start button a fresh new look? OpenShell lets you replace the default Start button with built-in designs or your own custom image. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to change the Start button in OpenShell in 2026. First, open the Start menu and launch OpenShell menu settings. If you don't see all of the available options, enable Show All Settings near the top of the window. Next, switch to the Start button tab. This section contains all of the options for replacing and customizing the Windows Start button. Now enable the option to replace the default Windows Start button. Yeah, once it's enabled, you can choose from the built-in button styles or use your own custom image. Choose one of the built-in Start button designs, or click the Custom Image option to browse for your own Start button graphic. I mean, you can experiment with different styles until you find one you like. Click Apply or OK to save your changes. Then open the Start menu and confirm that your new Start button appears correctly on the taskbar. If the button doesn't look quite right, reopen the Start button settings and try a different design or adjust the configuration. You can switch back to the default appearance at any time by disabling the replacement option. And that's how to change the Start button in OpenShell in 2026. With just a few clicks, you can personalize your Windows taskbar and give your desktop a unique appearance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.